I'm Ariel Tang and I come from China. I learn media studies, sociology and maths here.
My name is Hisham Mahni. I am from Morocco and I came here to England for improving my level in English.
Hi, my name is Robert Tang and I'm from China, and currently I'm studying maths, further maths, physics and chemistry.
Hello, my name's Jonathan Harris-Gibbons and I'm the International Business Development Manager at East Sussex College. Well, I'm sure the question you'd want to ask, first of all, when thinking about studying at any college, is why are you different from anybody else? There's obviously so many colleges and language schools and academic institutions you can study at. Why come to our college? Well, I think the first thing to say is always a good starting point is quality. We are very proud to say that we are the #1 college for English language in the UK, and that is based on British Council inspections. Every year, the English Language Gazette publishes a list of the top language schools in the UK based on British Council inspections, and we are currently ranked the #1 state college for English language, and we're in the top 5% of all English language schools in the UK.
The most interesting thing in media study might be we will shoot and edit some small video clips for ourselves, and we will make our own films.
So I love the way that the further math is taught. It's because teacher always gives us the basic principle, and then we are able to apply the knowledge into things that related to daily life. So which is really helpful and beneficial for our future career life or daily life.
You can either do a full qualification, such as a full A-level, or a vocational qualification, like a BTEC course, but you've also got the opportunity to just come for maybe 1 term or 2 terms and study on our international study year, or it's often called also the high school programme.
So what I like about Lewes here is that it's a really safe city and it's really easy to get around, and it's just near to Brighton, 10 minutes farther than Brighton, and yeah, also we got London in 1 hour by train. I've been here since September, and I really find that the teachers are very helpful, and also they are patient and they really get across their ideas very well, and I think that makes the lesson very interesting.
So, just to summarise, I would say the main features are quality, variety of subjects and wonderful locations.